Instructions. We have seen how to use the task execution window and how to add the instructions to it. Let's see now how to add the instructions directly into the form without using a task execution window. For that, let's go to the application. Let's go to Structure, Processes, Gateways and Tasks, Personal Task, Form. We are going to add the instructions in a new division. So we can go here, Original Division, and we have it here. And I'm going to call it Instructions. Okay, so here we are just first going to add an original complement. Instructions, title, instructions. Let's change the style and save and exit. Okay, and now we're going to add another one with the actual instructions. So again, another original complement. And let's just add instructions. Okay, and we're going to add open, manage, and finish. We can also make it bigger if we wanted to. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger and change the font. Okay, well, let's leave it as it was. Yeah, save and exit, and save and exit, and we have the instructions now here. Okay, and now we just need to add an action button. Okay, so for that we will go here and we are gonna create a button so I can close the instructions once I have read them, because then I won't need them anymore. So I'm gonna call it close. Okay, and here I'm gonna add action, and the action is gonna be trigger and then create actions, and it's gonna hide the instructions. Okay, so we are just gonna add this button so it hides the instructions when we click on it. Okay, hide instructions, save. Oh. Okay, and we have the button here now. So when we click on it, this division will close. Okay, as I said, this is to close the instructions division, but if we go into the main one now, okay, I just want to add one button here, an action button, so I can see the instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna add one called instructions. Instructions, continue, and add actions. And in this case, okay, it's again going to be trigger the action, but it's going to show the instructions. Okay, I'm going to move it here and save. As we have the instructions here, okay, in another division, I don't need this. Okay, I don't need the complete task execution window anymore. So I'm going to just create a new one. Okay, and this time it's going to be without instructions. Okay, this, even if we have a 0 here, the system will still think we have instructions. Okay, so we just need to leave it blank if we don't want it. So first I'm going to add form, comment log, and as we don't want instructions, we're going to leave it blank. Okay, I'm going to choose the model 1, and the size of the form is going to be, let's make it a bit bigger, and 800 instead. Form, I'm going to add a 60%, And the command log is going to be 40. And save and exit. So we're going to choose this one with instructions demo. Okay? So we won't need this anymore. Let's save and exit. Save and exit. And let's go to my tasks to start a process. And let's add some data. Subject, introductions test, command log. We can put task execution window without instructions. Save. Let's add some dates. And here we're going to select task and start process. So if we go here now, okay, we can see the form and the command log. Okay, we cannot see the instructions because we removed that section. Okay, and it's because we add them here now. Okay, so when we click on them, on this button, the instructions will come out. Okay, and as we have seen, we have 60% here, and this area is just the 40%. Okay, so we can see the instructions here. And if we click on close, we can close it. And as we have mentioned before, the new task execution window just has 2 sections now. Okay, let's save and exit. And now it's your turn to try to do part 7.